Hey everybody, hi. I am on my way to get, me and my colleagues are on our way to get Mr. Best, Mr. Ty Best, who is coming to Meadowlands, the Doubletree Hilton Hotel in Meadowlands, to do a live training for the Western Pennsylvania area. Saturday, tomorrow, from 1 to 4 p.m. And I really hope that all of you get to make it. Thanks for coming in, all you who are watching right now. I can't personally look at the names and everything, but hi, hello. And that's about all I had to say. I just wanted to wish you guys a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and hope to see you Saturday. All right? So, all you people, hi, hello. I can't see exactly who they are. Hello, hello, hello. Have a good day. Gotta drive, okay? Gotta drive. Goodbye, I think. Finish, there we go, yay!